bullish.
So yeah, I'm going to be trading as well. Let's check what is happening on the crypto XRP markets. It's very good right now. The trading has been very volatile. XRP prices have been very crazy. But right now, we should look at this right now. So I do think XRP right now is going for, check the prices. Let me go on a 5-minute, 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart. Where's my 4 hour? So look at this. We saw a spike here, right? It maintained a bit in this price levels between 3.6 and 3.4. Then suddenly it broke barrier. Might not have the correct terms, but suddenly went from 3.45 all the way down to 3.7. But now I feel like it's trying to reclaim these, bullish momentums. So look at that. Literally at $3, it started to break up again. So I predicted, and this is my old chart, I predicted it will not go below $3, and if it goes below $3, it goes in a free fall. And look what happened. It went to 3.2 cents, right? And went right back up. So resistance is at 3.28. So exactly as I predicted, guys. Again, I felt like I said 3.38. We broke down. We went in a free fall. It actually did like 3.44. So this is the only one I missed slightly, but it's exactly as I told you guys. So 344 went down, and I said it will go in a free fall. So that will be the support here. And actually it went down a bit, earlier than I expected, 348. I didn't expect it to crash that much. But again, this can happen. And then I said $3, and $3 immediately broke through. So I'm guessing bullish here. And now it should come back to the top of my blue line. So it should go back to 338 potentially. So if we check the 5-minute chart here, again, I love doing this because I am usually very, very right in that sense. Like, I'm very glad I'm right on this one, because sometimes I would be wrong. But again, I have this feeling. It's also a psychological feeling. So you can see that whales are now trying to push back for what? 3.44 cents. So look at this. They're forming a green candle over here, and they're trying to buy it all back. So yeah, who knows? This is too risky. Like, this is too risky, and who knows? Right now, it's gonna go up and down. But yeah, it does seem bullish right now that it's gonna trade between these levels. So yeah, not gonna chill out here, stay here, open some music, and just gonna wait for the big gains. Take longer than that, you plan your meal. Mark the low. So I feel like the low should be probably at, we check the 5-minute charts, what's the lowest it can go? Look, it's actually trying to form a momentum here. So look at this. All right, so this line is exactly doing, so I'm just gonna go, actually that line is too long. Take a look at this. It's going for an uptrend, right? So it's literally forming like more resistance and going up and up and up. So here's the 5-minute low. So this is from 2 days ago. This is from today. And this is from 27th July. I guess 28th. On the 5-minute chart. I guess the low is going to be probably at 321. So it should go down and stop out the late longers. Alright, I see. Felt like since it has bullish momentum, yeah. Because it's trying to reclaim back its prices now. It's trying to go back to all-time highs. So look at me trading over here. Immediately as I said it will go free fall. Happened. I'm just waiting for the right moment to enter in basically now. as you said, here it's going down now. Probably some of the whales will sell it off. Yeah, on 5 minutes. So on 1 hour, yeah, in 1 hour it does seem kind of bearish. Look at this sell-off. Seeing the 1 hour chart here. Step back and wait. Let's step back and wait. Yeah, let's see what happens. Could be anything at this price point. Yeah, the markets are fighting for it right now. Like, they don't know where to go. Up, down, left, right. Yeah. It's just very volatile. Wait for that top level to get hit. So wait for this. If we can get that, that will be huge. If we can get back to 3.28. I guess the markets are gonna really explode on 30th. That's gonna really be the breakthrough in that sense. Right now it's very crazy. So yeah, life is good if XRP goes back to 3.28. So in the 5-minute mark goes back to 4 cents. Again, look, see, it's going back up. We can... Actually, that was very stupid. Why is my stop... Actually, I have to close this out now. Because the stop loss is not correct. The stop loss should be ROI of 1%. ROI of 3 and 1. So let us go long on this. This was not correct. I have $2 to redeem here. I want $2 extra here. Link in the description, by the way, guys, if you want a bonus as well. Drag the first 2 blue lines to the left from where the price dropped and wick down. No, that was a silly trade. That was very silly. That's why I immediately closed it. Drag the first 2 blue lines to the left from where price dropped and wick it down. Wick it down. Breaking my rules. That's true. It's my worst mistake I did right now. We have to wait it out. We have to wait this out and see what happens. When we do that... Oh, the first blue lines I had on the 1 hour chart. Let's check. 4 hour chart, actually, not 1 hour. Alright, I see. These are the blue lines. Ah, I see. Drag the first blue lines to the left. I see. Drag them straight to the right. I guess it was like somewhere here, 2.99. And this one was at, let's say, 3.35. That's 3.41, 3.35. All right. So yeah, these are the lines right now. These are my trades below these lines. Oh, okay, I get it now. So when it hits here, I start to long it, and when it goes down here, I start to... Actually, the opposite. When it goes here, I start to short it, and when it goes here, I start to long it. So like that, I'm guessing. I literally tried to short my own like support, so it's trying to go for... Wait for your confirmations. I see. I wait. Yeah, potentially if it reaches that at like 8 a.m., 4 a.m. It's like 4 a.m. for me right now. So when it goes to 4, it's going to reach that sooner. Potentially we could catch a trade on the way. Or no. Would that be too silly? I mean, the market's right now very... Yeah, it's trying to basically go up. Unless I did a really long trade. That's the other thing. And hopefully I don't get liquidated. Like, if I didn't get liquidated below $3... A to B trade. Exactly, yeah. Maybe I should just open a long trade here and then see, or trying to go for the support level of 3.34. Maybe that would be too silly. So going for, yeah, maybe not. Maybe that wouldn't be good money. That's too impulsive. Yeah, when I'm sleep deprived, maybe it's really stupid. We have to have patience. This might take some time. When it goes here, I can wait. So what can happen is I can wait here, wake up in the morning, stream, see what happens here, literally check what the time is when I wake up. And then go for the risk of seeing what happens to the price, right? If my prediction was correct. So yeah. So right now what the price plan is, or what the trades are for XRP, is we're gonna be waiting it to hit a new high. Or, well, not a new high, but to regain that support level of 3.33 or whatever it was, 3.43, and try to not let it break down to $3, which, yeah, we are in the middle range. So right now it's super risky and it's scary. Locally making a new high on 5-minute chart. Yeah, I'm also seeing that it's going uptrend, slightly uptrend. But when you check like 4 hours, damn, still, you know, like it's uptrend still, but we've just been seeing a downtrend right now, so it's too early to say, and it's been only 3 days. I guess we need more data on this to see where it goes from here. Could go either way. So I don't believe it will break down $3 unless like some really bad scenario happens. But again, you gotta plan it out, and then you can see what you want to do right from here, where XRP will go. Isn't it weekend right now? So on the weekends there should be more less traders anyway. That's why it's so crazy. Yeah, there should be like way less traders, but I'm not too sure how much it affects that. So you can actually see here who has sold and bought XRP. These are very small trades, I'm guessing, because of the exchange. This is like the exchange prices. If you don't know better, not say anything. It's just speculation like news. Yeah. Better not to say and just wait it out. See the patterns. See the data. That's what really matters. Data. I got 25k shares in Shiba. That's like 30 cents. Yeah, Shiba is like really dropped a lot. Price tells you the story. Exactly. Look, it's trying to reach new. Basically, it's trying to reach the new support level. The data is on the chart, yeah. That's the thing with, yeah, XRP right now. The prices itself will tell you what's happening with it, right? It's kind of weird to understand, but it's basically simple supply and demand. It's how the world works. So if people want something, they will buy more, and if people don't want it, they will sell all of it. That's the entire point of crypto. Plus technology and all the other stuff. Let's check the 5-minute chart over here. See what happens with SHIB. Yeah, the supply for SHIB is super huge right now. It's bigger than the XRP. That's the issue with the supply, is it's insane levels right now. We've never seen levels of that, and there's SHIB community has been asking for a burn. A lot of people left and haven't stayed around. So that's where it really goes off.